have to stop it! Hold on! Get back! We're almost clear!
Neutralize the danger.
The horse is saved. We're safe now.
The animals face mortal peril.
Hold on! I'm coming!
The beast erupts, threatening all.
Feeds. Horse safe at last.
The peril unfold.
Fights back bravely.
A moment of peace after the storm.
Sometimes, the rescue mission extends beyond the immediate danger, ensuring the safety and well-being of all involved, even in the wild.
Get inside! Get inside! What is that thing? Hey, relax right now. We are on a tight schedule here. This is ridiculous. Let's roll! at the tablet. The snake is tightening its grip. I see the coordinates. We're cutting it close. Hold on. They need help immediately. They are just past those trees. Gauges are set. Ready. It's constricting. 1, 2, POL. Steady, get the chain on it. Ready. Easy there, girl. You're safe now. Watch the tail.
All right, easy now. Lift slowly. Keep it steady. Go ahead and raise the bucket gently now.
Here's the second tank. She's secure now. Good. What a relief.
Incredible job, team.
Come on, step up. That's a good boy. You're safe now. Ready. Ready. Pull it clear. I'm losing my grip. Hold the chain. Hold!
Thank you, Doctor. You saved them.
They're gonna be just fine now. Get inside quickly. Vitals are holding steady. Watch the monitors. Watch the corner. Stabilize the load.
Lungs sound wet.
Increasing the flow rate on the sodium bicarb.
Are dropping fast.
Sensor attached. Starting EPI now.
Are dropping fast.
Sensor attached. Starting EPI now.